Okay guys, so what we're going to look at today is the process of logging into Seesaw and being able to see your assignments, okay? So first thing you're going to do is come up here to the top and you're going to click Login. All right, and you are a student, so you're going to click I'm a student. Okay, and the good thing is, since you already have a Google account, all you have to do is click sign in with Google. Okay. All right, and all you're going to use is your actual username and password that you would use to log into Google Classroom, which is going to be the first letter of your first name, the first three of your last name, and the last four of your lunch number, with @student.beaufort.k12.nc.us, okay? And I'm going to use this account that is already logged in. Okay, I'm going to type in the password. And your password will be whatever it usually is when you're logging into Google Classroom. Okay, so as you see, it tells us your name up top, and it says that you're logged into 2 classes. So this student actually has math and science, okay? So we're going to be focusing on science today. And you're going to come down here and you're going to click on activities down at the bottom where you see that number, okay? And all you have to do is add response, and you're going to go in and do whatever your assignment tells you to do. And that's just literally how easy it is. Your math teachers may also be using it as well, and if they are, you just would click theirs and go to activities at the bottom and you would see their activities. And that's how you use Seesaw, guys.